today it's me, BunnyByte here, and I'm going to do another unboxing video. I gotta do this one quick today. So we know that I've already got these two. I want this one, and this one so bad. Even though I know how creepy this one is, I still want it. And yes, this is the third one I've got. I still want one of those cats again because we're so fun. So, I'm so excited. There's a card in it. Last time I spoiled my own thing, but I didn't explain because I'm so scared. Oh, I got a new one that I didn't want, but I still love it so much. Oh, she's actually so cute. Okay. This is her. I just gotta get this stuff that's always on it that annoys me so much. Wait, can I take this off? Please tell me again. Please tell me again. This is so weird looking, so I would love it if I could. Can I please? Can I please? Can I please? This is so scary. I don't want to break her head off. It's really bad. Wait, this is okay. Oh boy, this is so hard. I don't think I'm supposed to, but I want it so bad because I don't like it. I don't like it. It looks so weird. Yeah, I can't right now. Man. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Why crybabies? Why? This was so hard. I kind of just noticed that it says 15 plus. Whatever. Okay, yeah, I cannot do that. Are you okay, girl? Her head can spin, I just noticed. That's a lot. She won't be, because I don't really care if she's fake, because I still love her anyway. I wanted to get something way more expensive, but I had a tough bargainer with me. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh wait, that's actually kind of weird and cute at this. So this is our card. Wait, what? So we got my audio to work finally. I had scissors well, I don't need them. Even though I know where they are now, but it's okay. Wait, why doesn't it fit? No. Okay, so last time I had this guy, the mask didn't fit. Why doesn't it fit on this girl? Girly. Get these to fit. Oh boy. But what makes me angry is that you look at these, all of them have this thing on, so you can't see this girl's face. You know it's adorable. That just fold off my thing because it got better audio. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. There. So yes, I'm gonna try to keep getting this off. Wait, can I undo the bow? Oh yes, I can. I think there. What? Okay, so update. This bow is not a bow. Look, it's just like this and this. Not a bow. Not a bow. So I can't do it. Good to know. Good life lesson. Wait, is that why? Okay, this is not why, definitely. They'll shimmy it, I think. But it's probably going to be all about me trying to get this off. But yeah, I can't. This is the closest cat. But yeah, this makes me so angry whenever they make. See, like this one's gonna not be good. This one's gonna be good. Like only 3 of these are gonna be good. These are small things, not ginormous things that cover their whole face. Because their faces are ovals, not circles like in the picture. Why? It's kind of cute, I guess. I want to spray paint one now. I just had the idea because I had tape laying around. I wanted to spray paint it. For no particular reason here. You want the tape? No, I don't. Anyone will. It's actually kind of cool that I'm a YouTuber, I think sometimes. Just do think sometimes it's cool that I'm a YouTuber. Because, like, I've always wanted to do this, but, yeah. Oh, update on her hand. I still can't get it on. I cannot get this hand on. It's impossible. And I just dropped something. Yikes. Yeah. That was not happening. It's supposed to happen. But, like this one I really want. Even though I know what it looks like it's like a goat one. But I want this one the most. It goes first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place. No. Swap this one out with this one. And yeah. That's the way it goes. But this is like so cool. I love it. But like, really, bro? What out of 60? Wait, 1 out of 69. No, 96. Pardon me. Yeah. Also, my dad. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah. My dad just actually figured out that this is for ASMR, but I don't want to do that because I find it weird sometimes. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Oh wait, I forgot to review it. Right. I do like it. It's just a mask. Oh, every time a mask. Okay, yeah, this is definitely fake. Look at this arms. Look at the head. This is definitely fake. If the feet move, yeah, this is 100% fake, but it's okay. Wasn't that expensive. Oh, yeah, she has no ears. I really gotta offer. She has no ears. She has no ears. Gotta take this bit off. So then she can be free. Together we... No, we can. This is an unboxing. Wait, no, yeah. Oops. Yippee. So, yes. Okay. She looks so bare. This, that looks like a serial killer more than cute. Like, I get this is what it's supposed to look like, but it doesn't really look like that. But I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. 7.3 out of 10, yeah. Oh, wait, that was a problem. Wait, did I do that? Yeah. So, I have a question for y'all. Wait, why haven't I say this? Are you a dog person or a cat person? Because now what makes me angry is that there's no cat on here. This guy ain't even a cat. There's a goat, though. Like, we'll put a dog on, no cat. There's bunny, bear, another dog, poodle maybe. This another bunny, a mouse, and a goat. No cat. Probably these people were a haters. This, no idea. Could be a bunny. Cinco. Looks like it has a cat. It has a cat tail. Yeah, it's probably a bunny. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. Bye. Bye.